If you're looking for a light, refreshing and super easy snack, then this classic cucumber sandwich is perfect for you. It's simple, elegant and comes together in just a few minutes. Perfect for tea time, brunch or parties. So let's begin the recipe. Start by cutting thin slices of an English cucumber. Do not cut the slices very thin or else you won't get a crispy bite. To prepare the creamy spread, we will take 2 tablespoons mayonnaise along with 2 tablespoons cream cheese. I have chopped some dill leaves, mint leaves and coriander leaves. We will add half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon chopped dill leaves, 1 teaspoon chopped mint leaves, 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. Add in half a tablespoon of sugar. This is optional. It just balances the flavors very well. It doesn't make the sandwich sweet. Add in quarter teaspoon salt or as per taste. Add in quarter teaspoon black pepper powder or as per taste. Add in a dash of lemon juice to it. Just around half a teaspoon. We do not want sour sandwiches. So mix it well and bring it all together. Once this is well mixed, we will start to assemble the sandwiches. Here I have taken 4 sliced bread or sandwich bread. We will start by trimming off the edges of the sliced bread. Do not discard the sides of the bread. You can always grind them in a grinder and make breadcrumbs out of it. Apply the cream cheese spread on the slice of bread generously as shown in the video. Do not apply a thin layer of the cream cheese spread or else you won't get the taste of the cream cheese. Now start placing the cucumber slices in a nice order just as shown in the video. Now take the second slice of bread and apply cream cheese spread on it generously. Now we will close the sandwich with the other slice of bread and then we will cut them into rectangles or triangles. And there you go, your classic cucumber sandwiches are ready. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. You can enjoy these sandwiches for brunch, a tea party or a get together. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.